Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow users to navigate between sections in a form without completing all required questions first. By default, SurveyJS validates responses as users move between pages. This means that if a question is marked as required, users won't be able to jump to another section until they answer it. However, in some cases, you may want to let users explore the entire form first, answer only the questions they have information for, and return to the remaining questions later. To enable this behavior, you need to change when validation is triggered. Instead of validating on page navigation, we will configure the form to run validation only when the survey is completed. Here is how to do it. First, switch to the server level settings in the property grid. Under the validation category, locate the Run Validation property and change it to Upon Survey Completion. That's it. Now users can freely jump between sections using the table of contents without being blocked by required questions. Thank you for watching.